Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's story guys, I'm going to show you how to rewrite the text with Copilot in Edge. So for it, I'm going to show you this support article which is basically explains it already. So how to rewrite and adjust messages or any text in Copilot. So here's for web. So for web, it's very simple. So you need first to write your message in the compose box at the bottom of the chat or channel post. For example, if you were in Teams, in case you have written it, you simply have to go ahead and click on rewrite with Copilot, which is going to be next to your text beneath the compose box. Then choose between rewrite or adjust. Rewrite to generate another version of the message or text that improves its grammar and style. To navigate between versions, use the left and right arrows below the text. And on the other hand, we find ourselves with the Adjust tool. The Adjust tool lets you choose from the menu options to change the length and the style of your message. You can choose between these options, make it concise longer, make it sound casual, professional, confident, and enthusiastic. If you'd like to go with your original message and reject the suggestions, you can click on X at the top right of the Copilot windows. And if you are going to be satisfied with it, simply click on replace. This is something on the web. Of course, you can do the same thing within here. You're simply gonna go to chat and basically write your text, and by the end of the text you simply have to break down like spaced and like that, and then break down a little bit, and literally you will find yourself able to write another line. Just simply click and write down rewrite this text in another style. Just pick your style. You can write down whatever style you want and then click on enter, and then the AI will take a few seconds to generate the new version of the text. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.